Hey, Jose here. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can join us in all of our adventures. Welcome to San Jose.
Alright. Hi everybody, we are welcome to San Jose, and today we are at the Tracy Aviary in Salt Lake City, Utah. What? This is part of our little trip here to Liberty Park. This aviary has been around for quite some time. I remember going to it as a kid. It has definitely grown and changed and expanded. We used to do field trips and everything here. Interesting. So, all about birds. It's a pretty extensive bird area. It's got lots of different habitats, so we're excited to go explore them.
Let's go see some birds.
Let's go see some birds. Behind us we have the golden eagle. They're just chilling, just hanging out. And on this side they have a bald eagle, American bald eagle. You can kind of see it just right up there in the corner of the habitat. Right, in this habitat we've got the laughing kookaburras and the masked lapwing. So you can see the yellow one here, that's the masked lapwing. Jose's made a friend with one of the masked lapwings. And then right here we have Jasmine and Tiana. They are West African crowned cranes. Got the plumage on the top of their heads. Very pretty. Over here we have some sandhill cranes. Now we have these wild in Florida. They just fly around everywhere, land everywhere, walk around. In Florida you have to chase them off the road. And over here we have flamingos. In this habitat we have the scarlet ibis, which can be found in South America. So a lot of these birds in this area of the park are from South America. They've got some bird feeding areas as well, like this one behind us. It looks like it's closed up for now. So they have specific feeding times, so you can check their times guide. So also in this park, they also have a bird show, an outdoor bird show, and meet and greets with bird keepers who will talk over specific birds at specific times. We're gonna head in here real quick to the owl forest. Ooh, owls.
Where they have more Christmas trees.
They're pine trees, they're just pine trees. Right here we have a great horned owl, and these are native all over North and South America.
Tama on in.
So here we are in their recreation of a Utah wetland. In here they've got a lot of different birds. You've got woodhouse scrub jays, Franklin gulls, northern pintails, pretty broad range of birds. Now right here they have the Chase Mill, which is one of the oldest buildings in Utah. That's pretty cool.
It was a stumbled upon discovery.
Yep. It looks like an event space.
Yeah.
Which is pretty cool. And
Structure as well. So ravens, you tend to see just singly or in pairs, and crows you'll see in monkeys. That's a few differences off the top of my head. But even knowing all of that, you'll still see them out there and be like, they're hard to tell apart.
now one thing I do appreciate about this aviary is the gardens. They've got a lot of garden paths and lots of flowers. Very aromatic.
It's very vibrant and pretty.
Yes, so you've got kind of a botanical garden going on as well as the aviary, which is just creating a really great experience. Even if you were to just walk around the gardens, that'd be fun. All right, so we are all done here at the Tracy Aviary here in Liberty Park in Salt Lake. And it's a fun place. I remember it being just like it is. It's not a huge animal park because it's all around birds, but it does have a pretty broad selection of feathered friends. All right, so we are done here at Liberty Park. We went ahead and did the Tracy Aviary, which was fun. It's a fun facility. I mean, yeah, it was good. We spent about an hour inside, and
Happy. Sorry.
you could, if you had little ones, spend more time because they have play areas and interactive stuff. And we didn't do the outdoor bird show. Sadly, we are very jaded from our Orlando theme parks and zoos and whatnot, where there's just a plethora of these type of animal parks on a much larger scale. But for a city like Salt Lake, it's a great offering, and it definitely brings in birds of the world
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
closer to the residents. So
Now let's go get some food. I'm hungry.
now it's time for lunch. We'll see where we're going to be headed here in just a little bit.